Hello friends, I am Dr. Shamsher Singh, Professor in Management, working in RP IIT Technical and Medical Campus. Friends, we discussed earlier different forms of business organization. If we require individual ownership, one man control, one man management, and all the activity conducted by individual person and all the profit earned by individual person, all the risk bear by individual person, then in that case we choose sole proprietorship. If we want to expand our business activity, we require, due to the limitations of sole trade, we generate partnership. We define partnership is the relationship between two or more persons. Partnership business is carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. Two or more persons, there must be business between the partners. There must be profit sharing ratio between the partners. In partnership, there must be a written agreement that is called partnership deed. If we don't prepare the partnership deed, then the different rules and regulations applicable in the absence of partnership deed. We defined earlier, profit sharing ratio will be equal and no interest on capital, no salary will be provided to any partners. If a new partner admitted in the business, by the consent of all the partners, a new partner were to be admitted into the partnership. Next form is cooperative societies. It refers to that voluntary association of persons who join together with the motive of welfare of the members. It is a self-help type group. Some weaker sections of the society together and formulate cooperative societies. It is a voluntary association of persons joined together for the motive of welfare of the members. Why we want to opt the cooperative organization? There are certain reasons that due to that following reasons we choose cooperative societies, because due to voluntary membership, any member voluntarily enter into cooperative societies. Cooperative, we formulate the cooperative society under the Cooperative Society Act 1912. So, cooperative society got legal status. Limited liability. If a partner contribute into the cooperative society, then their liability will be equal to their contribution. That is limited liability. Motive of the cooperative society is service motive. Each and every member having the equality of voting rights in cooperative society. Cooperative society worked under government control. In that series, firstly we define sole trade, then we define partnership, then we define cooperative societies. Due to the shortcomings of these forms of business organization, we formulate a company business. We define company is an artificial person created by law, having separate entity with a perpetual succession and common seal. कंपनी का अपना अलग सेपरेट एंटिटी होती है, अलग पहचान होती है। कंपनी को हम डिजोल्व नहीं कर सकते, मार नहीं सकते, परपेचुअल सक्सेशन होता है। कंपनी के ईच एंड एवरी डॉक्यूमेंट पे कॉमन सील लगने के बाद, मोहर लगने के बाद ही वो डॉक्यूमेंट लीगल माना जाएगा। सो देयर आर द एसेंशियल्स ऑफ फॉर ए कंपनी इनकॉर्पोरेटेड एसोसिएशन ऑफ पर्सन्स। वी formulate the company under a law and dissolve the company under a specific law. In that reason, company got a legal status. You can say company is an artificial legal person. कानूनी है। कंपनी का सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी होती है, अलग कानूनी पहचान हो सकती है। कंपनी को हम काट नहीं सकते, मार नहीं सकते। कंपनी हमेशा फॉरएवर रहेगी, हमेशा चलती रहेगी। इसलिए कंपनी का परपेचुअल सक्सेशन होता है। कंपनी हैविंग लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी, जिस व्यक्ति ने जितना पैसा लगाया है उसकी लायबिलिटी उस पैसे तक ही रहेगी। इसलिए हम कहते हैं कंपनी की क्या होती है, लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी होती है। कंपनी की कॉमन सील होती है। कंपनी के हर एक डॉक्यूमेंट पे, इस डॉक्यूमेंट पे मोहर लगने के बाद वो डॉक्यूमेंट लीगल माना जाएगा, कॉमन सील। ट्रांसफरेबिलिटी ऑफ शेयर्स, कंपनी के शेयर्स के ऊपर किसी व्यक्ति का नाम नहीं लिखा होता। वो शेयर जिस व्यक्ति को ट्रांसफर करेगा, जिस व्यक्ति के पास वो शेयर होंगे, वही उनका मालिक होगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।